You have to understand that food is information. Food is not just nutrients. It is not just protein, vitamin, mineral. सिर्फ वो उतनी चीज फूड में नहीं है, कैल्शियम. इट इज नॉट जस्ट दैट. मोर देन दैट, फूड इज इंफॉर्मेशन. जिसे आप खाते हैं, इट हैज अ डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट ऑन आवर इमोशंस. जैसा अन्न वैसा मन. सो इमेजिन द एनिमल विच इज बीइंग किल्ड, विच इज पुट ऑन योर प्लेट. What is the emotion they are going through when they are being farmed, when they are being killed? What is the emotion they are going through? Anger, sadness, insecurity, fear, every negative emotion that you can think of, they are going through those emotions. So those emotions are stored in their body, and the same body is put on your plate. And now this is scientifically proven. So no matter whether how much you cook it, how much you freeze it, it is there in their micro RNA. And these are very small molecules which cannot be destroyed. So when we eat that food, it enters our bloodstream, right? And then it activates the similar genes of anger, frustration, guilt, shame in our body. And then we become more prone to those emotions. Apart from the moral ground of not killing any other life, because everybody wants to live. But you're also doing your own harm by doing that. And that is more harmful than even the protein you're getting. You draw more protein when you have a good gene expression. Good emotions give a good gene expression. Good gene expression can express good genes, and good genes produce good proteins. Poor genes produce poor proteins. So proteins are produced from the genes. So depending on the expression that the genes are produced. It's a myth that we get protein only from the food, right? When you are meditating, when you are producing good genes, when you are drawing so much of cosmic energy, when you are changing your emotions, you give expression to your genes, to good genes, and they produce good protein. So I know one lady who is last 23 years, she is living without food. Jasmine, you can Google her. She's extremely healthy, very vibrant, very glowing face. She still picks up her own luggage, living without food, zero food. So it is a myth, right? I eat one meal a day. Every year I go for my physical checkup. I have no deficiency of any protein or calcium. I'm not against nutrition. But our body has its own potential to produce everything that we need in our life. So don't believe that only through food you are getting it. Food is one source, but alternative source is also there, which is direct energy, which also produces that food. That food is also produced through that energy. How is the animal got protein? Through plants, through cosmic life. So in meditation, you are directly getting that cosmic life force. So that energy is the direct source of all protein, vitamin, everything. And you activate your nervous system. Your nervous system is the biggest pharmacy. Anything that you need, your nervous system can produce.